Hello everyone, welcome to my online class and I am present with a new chapter of EVS. Chapter number 15 and the title of this chapter is High Above the World. High above the world. This is the second part of this chapter because in first part we have done the reading practice. Okay. And through this video, I am going to explain about something of this chapter, chapter number 15, High Above the World. Through this video, we will try to learn about some content of this chapter. In this chapter, we will learn about our Earth, we will learn about our solar system. So, first, we will try to learn about what is solar system. Solar system, I am going to write the definition of solar system. Solar system. What is solar system? The collection of eight planets, and their moons that move around the sun. The collection of eight planets and their moons that move around the sun is called solar system. Solar system. Why? Why do all planets move around the sun? Because the sun is present in the center of the solar system. Question is, why do all planets and another heavenly body moves around the sun? Because the sun is in the center of the solar system. That's why all planets moves around the sun. सूर्य जो है वह सेंटर पर है and our earth is also a part of what? This solar system. In this eight planet, our earth is also a planet which moves around the sun and receive heat and light from the sun. So that's why all the planets moves around the sun. How do all planets move around the sun? All planets moves around the sun on fixed path. That is called the orbit. The path of the planets where all planets move on a fixed area, that is called the orbit. Name of planets are in correct order, in correct sequence. Start from the sun, and we will go further from the sun. So first is Mercury. Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet. To the sun. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. Planet to the sun. Okay, after Mercury, Venus. What is the speciality of Venus? Venus is the hottest planet, of the solar system. Solar system. This is the first one. This is second and third one. Third one is in the third position will come in our Earth. Our Earth. So our Earth is a part of solar system, and like another planets, our Earth is also move around the sun on fixed path and receive heat and light from the sun. And only Earth is a planet of the solar system where life is possible. What is the reason? Reason is presence, presence of air and water. Life is possible on the Earth. Except Earth, no any another planet, air and water found. That's why our Earth is also called the blue planet because of the presence of water on its surface. Our Earth is also called a unique planet because life is possible on the Earth only. All living things, all living creatures found on this Earth only. Okay, so life is possible. Life is possible only the Earth because of presence of air, and water, एयर और वाटर के कारण लाइफ पॉसिबल है, कहीं भी पॉसिबल नहीं है दूसरे तरफ. तो 1 2 3 I have 10. Mercury, Venus, Earth. After Mars, after Earth, which planet will come? Mars. Number 4, Mars. Mars is also called a red planet. Mars is also called a red planet. Why? What is the reason? Reason is presence of iron oxide. What is the iron oxide? You will go to higher class. When you will go to higher class, you will study about iron oxide. Okay. So Mars is also called a red planet. मार्स जो है वो रेड कलर का दिखता है आयरन ऑक्साइड के कारण. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट प्लैनेट इज ओके वीनस. क्यों गर्म है? व्हाई डू द वीनस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड द हॉटेस्ट प्लैनेट? बिकॉज ऑफ प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन एक्सेस अमाउंट. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एक गर्म गैस है. वी नो दैट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज अ वार्म गैस. दैट्स व्हाई carbon dioxide is present in excess amount in the Venus. That's why Venus is the hottest planet of the solar system. After Mars, which planet will come? My very excellent mother, just means Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Biggest planet of the solar system. Biggest planet of the solar system. Jupiter is the biggest planet of the solar system. सबसे बड़ा planet है Jupiter. ओके, इसके बाद Saturn. इसके बाद क्या आता है? Saturn आता है. Next one is Saturn. Saturn. Saturn is the second biggest planet of the solar system. ठीक है? And only Saturn has a ring around the planet. Okay? It has a ring around the planet. Around the planet. This is the second one. This is the second biggest planet of the solar system after Jupiter. Jupiter के बाद जो second बड़ा है वो कौन है? Saturn. So and it has a ring around the planet, and this ring is made up of snow and dust particles. Dust particles से ये बना है. Thickness of approx 100 kilometer of the ring which present around the planet Saturn. So next two more planet is what? My very excellent mother just sent us. Us means Uranus. Us means Uranus. And Uranus. Number 7, Uranus. Okay. And number 8 is Neptune. Okay. Neptune is the farthest. Farthest, farthest planet. Farthest planet of the farthest planet of solar system. Farthest planet from the sun. Farthest planet from the sun. From the sun. So, students, through this video we have learnt about solar system, and we have learnt about some features of this this is the coolest, और coolest बोल सकते हैं coolest planet of the solar system. So first all of you will read this chapter properly. If you have any doubt you can ask. Thank you.